In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check photos shared with you on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to find all the photos that were sent to you through messages or other supported apps all in one place. So first I'm going to open the Photos app. Once I'm inside, I'm looking at my main photo library where all my pictures are stored. Now at the bottom of the screen, I'm going to tap on the Sort By icon. This is where you can organize and filter how your photos are displayed. Once I tap on it, I'm selecting Filter. This opens up different options that let you narrow down what you see in your library. At this point, I'm choosing Shared with You. This tells the Photos app to only show images that were shared with you through messages or other supported apps connected to your iPhone. Now once I apply that filter, you'll notice that the gallery updates automatically. Instead of showing everything, it now displays only the photos that were sent to you by other people. I like to pause here because this feature is really useful if you receive a lot of photos and don't want to scroll through everything just to find them. It basically separates shared content from your personal photos. Now you can tap on any of these images to view them, save them, or share them again. If you want to remove the filter and go back to your full library, you can just go back into the filter option and turn it off. And that's it. You open the Photos app, access the Sort By menu, applied the filter and selected Shared with You. Now you can easily view all the photos that others have shared with you in one place.